Welcome. Today we're going to be having a look at press and push. So press and push finishes off grasp the bird's tail. So I'll show you facing you first and then I'll turn to each direction so that you can see. So we're going to pop ourselves into a bow stance, making sure we're nice and comfortable. Crotch open, right knee not past the toes. You can see the toes past the knee, and we've just completed roll back. So our hands are just past the corner. From here, we're going to turn slightly to the right. Put the hands on the left hand on middle forearm. The right fingers want to be higher than the elbow. We want to be nice and rounded. Our right elbow wants to be over our right knee, and we're going to expand out. We're then going to reach out, bring the hands in, weight comes back onto the left leg, bring the hands down, square the shoulders straight and push. We want to make sure that knee doesn't go past the toe, and we want to make sure our hands are not straight and not flat. We've got that nice rounded elbows, elbows down, hands just in front of the shoulders. Okay, so from roll back, we're nice and comfortable, and roll back. We turn to the right, left hand goes onto right middle forearm and expand out. We want to make sure that we've got nice gaps underneath the armpits. We don't want to be closed. Nice and comfortable. Reach and come back and squaring up straight, pushing. Couple of things we need to be sure of, and I'm going to show this from the side. So here we're in our bow stance. We want to make sure when we come back that we don't lean back. We want to make sure we keep this torso nice and straight. Okay, we have got a little lean, but we're not forward and we're not back. So from here, from roll back, our body turns to the right, left hand on right middle forearm, press, reach out, pull back, push. And just so you can see, my right knee's not going past my toes, so I'm going to just do that one more time. Okay, so from roll back, turn body torso towards the right, press, straighten up, pull back and push. Okay, do it from the opposite direction. So my right foot's straight, my left foot's to the corner, and I've just completed roll back. So my body's just past the corner. Roll back. Bring our body to the right and expand outwards. Reach out, pull back, but don't lean back, and push. Okay, so once again from the front, roll back, turn and press, reach out and push. Okay, thank you very much.